Hi students, good morning. In this session, we will learn about Chapter 16 Perimeter and Area, Exercise 16.4. Topics covered: quadrilateral, area of a parallelogram, area of triangle, and solved problems. Let's see the definition of quadrilateral. A polygon with four sides is called a quadrilateral. The sum of the measures of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Look at the picture. Here given one figure A, B, C, D, and also mention the four angles: angle A 90 degree, angle B 90 degree, angle C 90 degree, angle D 90 degree. Now we have to add the four side of angles: angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. We have to add it, we get 360 degree. This one is the example of quadrilateral. Let's see parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel. Types of parallelogram: square, rectangle, and rhombus are special types of parallelograms. Let's see area of a parallelogram. Look at the picture PQRS. What is parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel. Base A and height or altitude B. Here PQ parallel to SR and PS parallel to QR, and also PQ of A equal to SR of A, PS of B equal to QR of B. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Area of a parallelogram equal to base into height square units. Area of the parallelogram equal to BH square units. Look at the picture. This one example of area of a parallelogram P into H square units. Area of the parallelogram means a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then see perimeter of a parallelogram 2 of A plus B units. Perimeter of a parallelogram means perimeter refer to the length of the boundary of a figure. Look at the picture. Here given the real life example of parallelograms. First one buildings, second one tiles, third one house roof. This one is the best example of parallelograms. Let's see area of a triangle. Look at the picture. AB, C. AB is a base. AC is a height or altitude. Area of a triangle equal to half into B into H. Let's see the real life examples of triangles. Here given many pictures. The first one traffic signal, second one scale, third one samosa, fourth one hanger. This one the best example of triangles. Let's see example 16. Find the area of a parallelogram with base of 15 cm and a height of 5 cm. Let us find the solution. Here given base 15 cm, height h 5 cm. Area of a parallelogram formula base into height. So we have to substitute the values. Base 15 cm, height 5 cm. We get 15 cm into 5 cm. Now we have to multiply the values. 15 cm into 5 cm, 75 cm square. Therefore, area of a parallelogram equal to 75 centimeters square. Let's see example 18. First one, find the area of the triangle with the base equal to 42 centimeter, altitude 24 centimeter. Let us find the solution. Here given base B equal to 42 centimeter, altitude means height equal to 24 centimeter. Area of the triangle, formula of BH. Now we have to substitute the values. We get 1 by 2 multiple with base 42 centimeter multiple with altitude 24 centimeter. Now we have to cancel the common factors. 1 2 is 2, 12 2s are 24, remaining equal to 42 centimeter multiple with 12 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the values 504 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the triangle equal to 504 centimeter square. Let's see exercise 16.4. First Roman, find the area of the parallelogram with the given measurements. Second question, base 1 meter 60 centimeter and altitude 75 centimeter. Let us find the solution. First, base 1 meter 60 centimeter, altitude 75 centimeter. So one is the different units. Now we have to convert same units. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter 60 centimeter equal to 1 meter into 100 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. We have to add 100 centimeter plus 60 centimeter, 160 centimeter. Now get the same units. So base equal to 160 centimeter. Altitude 75 centimeter. Let's find the area of the parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. Base 160 centimeter multiple with height 75 centimeter. We have to multiple. We get 12,000 centimeter square. Therefore, area of a parallelogram equal to 12,000 centimeter square. Let's see the third problem. One side of a parallelogram of area 153 centimeter square is 18 centimeter. Find the distance of the given side from its opposite side. Let us find the solution. Here given the area of the parallelogram and also given base. Now we have to find the height. Look at the picture. This one is the ABCD parallelogram. Base 18 centimeter. Now find the height. Let ABCD represent the parallelogram. Given one side of a parallelogram equal to 18 centimeter. Area of parallelogram equal to 153 centimeter square. Let's find height. Area of parallelogram formula base into height. So base into height equal to area already given. So we have to substitute 153 centimeter square. Base into height equal to 153 centimeter square. Already base given. Substitute the value 18 centimeter into h equal to 153 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the height. So 18 centimeter, that one transposing to RHS. It gives h equal to 153 centimeter square divided by 18 centimeter. Now cancel the centimeter squared and centimeter. We get h equal to 153 centimeter divided by 18. Next cancel the common factors. 1 18s are 18, 8.5 18s are 153. Therefore h equal to 8.5 centimeter. The distance of the given side from its opposite side equal to 8.5 centimeter. Let's see area of a parallelogram. Look at the picture. PQRS. What is parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel. Base A and height or altitude B. Here PQ parallel to SR and PS parallel to QR, and also PQ of A equal to SR of A, PS of B equal to QR of B. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. We get 217 centimeter squared equal to 14 centimeter into height. Now we have to find the height. So height equal to 14 centimeter transposing to LHS. We get h equal to 270 centimeter square divided by 14 centimeter. Now cancel the centimeter squared and centimeter. We get h equal to 217 centimeter divided by 14. Now cancel the common factors. 1 14s are 14. 15.5 14s are 217. Now height equal to 15.5 centimeter. Therefore height equal to 15.5 centimeter. Let's see seventh problem. Find the area of these triangles. First one, if the perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let us find the solution. Look at the picture. Let ABC be triangle. Base AB 8 centimeter. Height AC 6 centimeter. Area of a triangle equal to half into B into H. Area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 multiply base 8, height 6 cm, substitute the values. 1 by 2 multiply with 8 cm, multiply with 6 cm. Cancel the common factors. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. We get 4 cm multiply with 6 cm. 4 6 are 24 cm square. Area of the triangle equal to 24 cm square. Let's see second problem. If the base and the height of the triangle are 12 cm and 7.2 cm respectively, let us find the solution. Let's find the area of the triangle. Look at the picture. Base 12 cm, height 7.2 cm. Here given the base and altitude. Area of the triangle equal to half BH. Substitute the values. We get 1 by 2 base 12 cm multiple with altitude 7.2 cm. We get 1 by 2 multiple with 12 centimeter multiple 7.2 centimeter. Cancel the common factors. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. We get 6 centimeter into 7.2 centimeter. Multiple the values. We get 43.2 centimeter square. Area of a triangle equal to 43.2 centimeter square. Let's see 8th problem. The area of a right angle triangle is 54 centimeter square. The length of its base is 12 centimeter. Find its length. Here given right angle triangle area and also given base. Now we have to find out the height. Look at the picture. Base 12 centimeter. Let's find height. Base equal to 12 centimeter. Area of the triangle formula of BH square units. Here given area of the triangle 54 centimeter square. 1 by 2 B into H equal to 54 centimeter square. 1 by 2 multiple with base 12 centimeter into height equal to area of the triangle 54 centimeter square. Cancel the common factors. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. We get 6 centimeter into height equal to 54 centimeter square. Now we have to find height. So 6 centimeter transpose to RHS. We get H equal to 54 centimeter square divided by 6 centimeter. Cancel centimeter and centimeter square. We get height equal to 54 centimeter divided by 6. Cancel the common factor. 1 6 are 6. 9 6 are 54. Height equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, height H equal to 9 centimeter. Let's find ninth problem. Find the areas of the given triangle. Second one. Look at the picture. Base 70 millimeter. Height 15 millimeter. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. Let us find the solution. Base 70 millimeter. Height 15 millimeter. Area of the triangle formula half into BH square units. Half base 70 millimeter. Height 15 millimeter. We get 1 by 2 multiple with 70 millimeter into 15 millimeter. Cancel the common factor. 1 2 is 2. 35 2s are 70. We get 35 millimeter multiplied with 15 millimeter. We have to multiply area of the triangle equal to 525 millimeter square. Thank you, students.